Question number 40. The Wastewater Collection Study Guide from Sewergeek.com. An operator wishes to maintain a chlorine residual of 5 mgl. The compound he is using is only 40% chlorine. If he uses 112 pounds per day, how much flow is he treating daily in mgl and mgd? Well, there's a couple things I can say about this question. It's been around for a while. First time I heard it, I was sure that the wording was wrong. Some people said this was on a state exam. The problem with this is the operator wishes to maintain a chlorine residual of 5 mgl. That means that's what's left in the water after he's done treating. Nowhere in this question does it say how much he actually used. The problem with that is there's absolutely no way I can solve this problem. But I do know that the answer that was correct when people went down and reviewed the test. So I'm going to go through it the way they think it should be done. Hopefully you'll never see this question. But here's the formula. Same formula, pounds per day is 8.34 times mgd times milligrams per liter. And then we also want to make sure we remember that 40% is there. We're just going to punch it in the way we do all the other ones. 8.34 times mgd times, all we have is 5 milligrams per liter. And on this side we have 112 pounds per day. So I'm going to take the 8.34, divide it by itself and get rid of it, move it over here to 8.34. I'm just going to move it to the other side on the bottom, times, do the same thing with the 5 mgl, and punch this out. What do I have? 112 divided by 8.34 divided by 5, and that's going to give me 2.69 equals mgd. That's what I'm with over here. However, that is how much mgd I would treat if the solution was pure, but it's not. It's only 40%. So I would not be able to treat as much because it's only 40%. So I have to make this number smaller by using this 0.40. So I'm going to go 2.69 mgd times 0.40. It's going to be, we'll punch it in anyway, times 0.4. It's going to give me 1.07. And that's what the answer is going to be if you saw this exact question missing all these numbers. There's only one way you can do it. It's wrong on a lot of levels. Also, I don't know what kind of operator would be using, looking at how much chemical he's using to determine what his flow is. That's why we have flow meters. So this question is totally unrealistic. But it keeps popping up, so I threw it in there.